Hey guys, since it was just 4th of July, I figured I'd do something red, white, and blue. So we're gonna do a red, white, and blue 30 cal epoxy pen. The first thing we're gonna do is mix up our epoxy using 3 different containers since we wanna do 3 different colors. I'm gonna mix up 2 ounces of white, 1 ounce of red, and 1 ounce of blue. Then we're going to add our color in and mix the colors up. Once I have everything mixed up, then I pour in the white into the mold. I got this mold from Woodcraft. It's actually really handy because you can put the tube from the pin kit in the blank, and it just makes it a lot easier to kind of do these kind of creative pours. Then we're going to pour our red and blue into these little syringes I also got from Woodcraft. Now we're going to take the epoxy in the syringes and inject it into the white epoxy that we've got. I tried to keep blue on one side and the red on the other side. Just love the way this looks. We're going to put this blank into the pressure pot and turn the air compressor on. Then we're going to use our barrel trimmer to trim down the blank to the size of the barrel. And then we put it on the lathe and turn it down to size. And once we have it turned down, we'll sand and then use our micro mesh pads to polish it up. Then we're going to use a little bit of Renaissance wax to polish this up. And then we just need to put our pin kit together. For this pin, I'm using a 30 cal pin kit. You can get these at Rockler or Woodcraft or a whole bunch of places online. And here it is, guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to leave us a comment down below, like, and subscribe.